Hello, children of class 5th. Today we learn about Let's Learn Pranayam. This is the chapter number 2 and page number 115 in your book. Student, look at the following pictures on your screen. There are some images of yoga asana. Yoga asana means yogic posture. The picture 1 is called Chakrasana. The picture 2 is Sarva Asan, picture 3 Urdhva Mukhasan, and the picture 4 is Hala Asan. If you are look at the following images, these are looking like some different shape. Picture 1 is looking like a circle. Circle means chakra. The picture second is called Sarva Asan. Sarva means entire body. The in this picture the person is standing on the support of shoulder, so this asan is called Sarvang Asan. Now come on posture 3. This picture is called Urdhva Mukhasan. Urdhva means upward. In this image the upward facing dog, so this posture is called Urdhva Mukhasan. And the last picture is this posture is called Hala Asan. Its mean Hal is a large farm tool, we also known as plug, so it is called halasan. Now we learn let's about pranayam and its benefit. In this chapter we have a story of two boys, Nitin and one day they got up early. It was a pleasant morning. Pleasant means nice, pleasing. They went to a park for a morning walk, but they saw many people in the park. Some of them were running on the track around the park. Children were playing in the middle of the park. Some people were sitting and making different poses. Shivam wondered what they were doing. Out of curiosity, both the friends went near them. There was a yoga teacher who was giving instruction to others. He said, "My dear friend, let's learn pranayam in today's class." What is pranayam? Somebody asked. In this passage, we have many important words like pleasant. The meaning of pleasant is enjoyable, nice, wondered. Its mean surprised, curiosity, desire to know, instruction, orders given by others. Now student, let's we read the passage 2. Pranayam is control and extension of the breath. By practicing it, we can reduce our breathing rate. Reduced breathing rate has a lot of benefit. It slows down heart rate, reduce blood pressure and relaxes body and mind. Pranayam increase our life expectancy. Expectancy means lifespan, number of years of our life. In this passage we have many word meanings like control means command, extension, increment, practicing, doing again and again, reduce, to make smaller in size or time, benefits, advantages. Let's read third passage. Pranayam should be done on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. You can also do it in the evening, but there should be a gap of 4 hours. After the last meal, Shivam and Nitin got interested and joined the group. After seeking permission from the yoga teacher, the teacher started listing the steps of pranayam. Student, I also explain you how we do pranayam easily, but in this passage we have many word meanings like empty stomach, without taking food, preferably means more suitably, gap, time interval, last meal, food taken, got interested, became more attractive. Students, now I explain you steps of pranayam. Step 1, sit calmly on a mat and close your eyes. Step 2, put left ankle on the right thigh. Step 3, now put right ankle on the left thigh. This posture is called Padmasana. Step 4, press your right nostril with your right hand thumb and breathe in slowly from the left nostril. Do this till full lungs are full. The process of breathing is called Purak. Hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds or only as long you can comfortably. This process of holding breath is called Kumbhak. Now, step 6. Now release the thumb and close the left nostril with your ring finger. Then breathe out slowly through your right nostril. This process of breathing out is called Rachap. Step 7. Now breathe in from the right nostril. Step 10. You may start with 5 rounds and increase it at up to 15 to 20 rounds. Student, which word meanings are shown on your screen? You all can write in your copies. Do work properly. Don't pending your work and complete all the book exercise which is given in the back of the chapter, activity 1 and activity 2. Complete all the word meanings and all the exercise. Thank you all.